How to switch between performance options. While working on your projects, you may require different performances from time to time. With Vagon, you can always change your performance from a wide variety of performance options to meet your specific needs. If you are using an application that requires GPU power, there are two types of GPU alternatives. Universe Series performance options. Planet, Star, and Galaxy have CUDA and OptiX supported NVIDIA Tesla T4 GPUs. Fire Series, the latest generation GPU performance options, Spark, Blaze, Flame, and Lava have RTX-enabled NVIDIA A10Gs inside them. And Water Series CPU performance options, Lake, Sea, and Ocean, are ready to use if you need CPU power instead of GPUs. Please note that there are no GPUs inside the Water Series performance options. Let's say you are working on a project and don't need high performance in the first place. In this case, you can start with a performance level like Planet. After laying the groundwork for your project, and when it comes to heavier processes like rendering, you can switch to Galaxy or Lava to boost rendering performance for your project with multiple GPU power. To do that, just turn off your Vagon, click on the Change button under the Performance section, choose the performance you would like to use, save your selection, and run your Vagon computer again. All your files and desktop will be the same, with better performance. Enjoy your Vagon experience.